Number 1. 1966 Ford F250, price $6,000. It has been in the same family for over 35 years. Originally owned by the seller's grandfather, it was later passed down to his father, and after his passing in 2021, the current owner inherited it. The truck has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has approximately 35,000 miles on it and, despite not being registered since 2016, it still runs and drives. However, it will need some work to be fully roadworthy again. The owner had plans to restore and drive it, but life circumstances have made that difficult. Please note that the title was lost during a move, so the truck will be sold with a bill of sale. This is a solid project with family history and classic charm. Number 2. 1995 Ford F250, price $9,500, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine. With 325,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven its durability and reliability over the years. The truck features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a robust 4WD system, making it ready for tough terrains and heavy-duty tasks. Finished in gold with a matching tan interior, it carries a rugged, no-nonsense look enhanced by a custom front buckstop bumper, a headache rack, and a powerful 15,000 pounds worn winch mounted up front. This truck was clearly built for utility and serious hauling. Mechanically, it is in great shape, very well maintained with newer brakes and a fresh set of tires. The diesel engine runs strong, and everything under the hood performs as it should. While the body could use some cosmetic attention, it offers a solid platform for anyone looking to restore or simply use it as a dependable work truck. Number 3. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. With 229,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent mechanical condition and continues to run and drive smoothly thanks to its reliable 5.7L 350ci V8 engine and automatic transmission. What truly sets this truck apart is its originality. Both the interior and exterior are 100% factory stock, with no aftermarket modifications of any kind. The exterior is finished in white and the interior in gray, both of which have been well preserved over the years. The body is straight with no dents or damage, and most importantly, it's completely rust-free. Comfort features include ice-cold air conditioning and a fully functional heater, making it a dependable vehicle in any weather. Recently, the owner spent $4,000 to replace and service all emissions-related components, ensuring that the truck easily passes smog inspections and operates as cleanly as it did when it left the factory. The truck holds a clean title, which is in hand, and is ready for immediate use. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, features an automatic transmission and comes in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior. It has a solid body, and although the frame has been cut and reinforced, the short bed remains original. Under the hood is a dependable 350 small block engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a strong running and driving truck. The current owner originally purchased it with the intention of swapping the body and bed onto a 1970s K10, but ultimately preferred the classic styling of the 70s truck and ended up keeping both vehicles. While the truck runs and drives well, the interior was never fully completed due to time and budget constraints. However, the bench seats shown in the photos are included with the sale, providing a solid foundation for someone looking to finish or customize the interior to their liking. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. This truck is a solid, classic pickup with approximately 70,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck sports a gray exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a vintage yet clean look. It comes with a clean Arizona title and is equipped with the standard transmission setup that includes a granny gear, ideal for low-speed torque applications. While it's not a 4x4 and does not have air conditioning, it's a reliable workhorse in well-preserved condition, perfect for someone looking for a straightforward, dependable truck with classic styling. Number 6. 1973 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000. It features a bold yellow exterior paired with a tan interior and is equipped with a manual transmission. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine with a 4-bolt main, mated to a 4-speed Muncie transmission. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades and maintenance. It sits on new tires with only about 1,200 miles on them. Recent mechanical work includes new rear shocks, a freshly installed clutch, and a new Edelbrock carburetor paired with an Edelbrock Performer intake. The engine is dressed up with new chrome Edelbrock valve covers. Other maintenance includes new tie rods, a newer battery, and spark plugs replaced less than 100 miles ago. The rear main seal was also replaced within the last 100 miles. Additionally, the truck comes with a new RPM gauge and new upper and lower ball joints, though these parts have not yet been installed. The seller has kept nearly all receipts documenting the work that's been completed, offering peace of mind to the next owner. Number 7. 1985 Dodge Ram, price $10,000. This truck is a full-size 4x4 short bed pickup that stands out with its classic blue-on-blue color combination. It has traveled 127,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, making it both practical and reliable for everyday driving or off-road use. Under the hood, it's powered by a rebuilt 318 V8 engine, completed in 2017, which has less than 100 miles on it, essentially a fresh motor. The fuel system has been updated with a flushed fuel tank, a new sending unit, and an electric fuel pump for improved reliability. Additional upgrades include new shocks, a new muffler, and a brand new battery. It also rides on a set of new 32-inch tires, adding to its aggressive stance and off-road capability. Number 8. 1986 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, features a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a reliable 350 V8 engine. It has a brown exterior and sits on a fresh set of Cooper tires. The interior has seen some updates, including a recently redone seat, and it comes equipped with power windows, power locks, air conditioning, and cruise control. While the truck runs and drives well, it does show some of the typical signs of age for a vehicle from 1986. The power locks are currently not working, and the AC is non-functional. There are a few dents, along with some rust in the cab corners. Overall, it's a pretty decent driving classic truck, but the current owner simply has too many vehicles and doesn't use this one enough to justify keeping it. Number 9. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, dependable pickup with 258,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and has received several recent upgrades, including a new suspension, battery, alternator, headliner, and distributor with a new cap and rotor. Although the vehicle runs well and has been driven to and from Bakersfield without issue, it does come with a few known problems. The check engine light is on, showing codes P0440 and P0452, both related to the EVAP system. Additionally, the torque converter causes a noticeable shake, and the air conditioning is not functional. Despite these issues, the truck is still roadworthy and tags are valid until November. Number 10. 1981 Dodge W150, price $4,799. This truck is a classic 4x4 pickup that captures the rugged charm of early 80s American engineering. It's powered by a reliable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering solid performance both on and off the road. The truck has approximately 99,000 miles on the odometer, and despite its age, it still runs and drives well. The exterior is finished in a vintage gray color, while the interior features a classic tan cabin that maintains much of its original look. While it's not a showpiece yet, this Dodge W150 is a great candidate for a restoration or customization project.